Hello friends, welcome to today's video. So in today's video, we are going to see how you can mine Kaspa coin on your Android mobile phone. Okay. So first of all, if you see then Kaspa is running at number 44. That is, if you have taken out the ranking wise list that it has the biggest market cap in which Bitcoin will come at number 1, then cash will be available at number 44. Its current price is 0.0772. Okay, and it is currently running at a little low. If we see, wait, I will make it all. Okay, so it is running at a little low from its all time. Here, it was at 20 all time and it is at 7 now. So anyway, if you do mining, then it does not matter to you because dollar cost emerging happens to you easily if you do a little mining every day. If you do not know what is dollar cost emerging, then it is a very beautiful technique which I had talked about in my previous video. So you can check that out as well. You can do it. So to mine Casper, we must have an Android phone, and I would recommend that you do not mine it on your primary phone because there can be many things. Your security can be compromised, your privacy can be compromised. So if you have a spare Android phone, then you should mine it from that only. So let's go to the mobile screen. As you can see, I have come to the screen of one of my spare phones. So the first thing I'm going to do is go to Google Play Store. Okay. Now here I'm going to search for Cash PM. Okay. PIUM. Okay. Cashback. So this is your wallet for cashback. Okay. So you can easily store your cash back in it. So till this is being downloaded, I will tell you how to download one more thing. So you go to Google. Okay, go to Google and search for XMR, means one sim ring for Android. Okay. Earlier it used to be available on Google Play. If you look here, you will see that of Google Play, but it is not on Google Play. So you can simply download its APK from this up to down website. Now to download it, you can normally go there and download it, but now I have already downloaded it. So I will simply install it. Okay. So it is asking for permission for installation. Sometimes it will also show you a warning. The reason for this is that these mining apps consume a lot of resources and are also blocked by antivirus. So my XM rig for Android is downloaded. I will leave it for the money anyway. And my Cash PM wallet is also downloaded. So if you see, this is my Cash PM wallet. As I open it, it will ask me whether I want to import the old wallet or create a new one. So I will click on new wallet for this video. I will name the wallet as subscribe to cryptocurrency. Okay, subscribe to CryptoMudra and go to next. Now it is asking whether I want to create a password for this wallet, so I don't need it, so I will skip the notes. Got it. These 12 secret phrases are fresh. Please save them because later, whenever you try to access this wallet, if you want to do this, you will have to give this secret phrase. Okay, I will click on I have backup, and after clicking yes, I will set my pin 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 for this video. Okay. So once I have logged in after setting the pin, etc., now I have to do something like this, that after logging in my wallet, now I will tap on the receipt. I will copy my address from here. Okay. Now I have the address. Now the work of the wallet is over. Okay. Now I will close the wallet. Now I will write XMLR, and those who have seen my old video will definitely think that brother XMR rig was used for those responsible for this. So be patient. I will definitely tell you how to mine Kaspa from XMR rig. So here when you open the screen, you will be on miner. You can quietly come to settings and tap on settings or the three dots, add configuration. Okay. So I am giving the name cryptocurrency Kaspa. Okay. And I will choose simple mode and add it. Okay. Now once I choose simple mode and add it, it will become something like this. Now I will tap on it again to configure it. So we will see it completely. Now here it is asking for a pool. So for the pool, I will use our x.nminable. Okay, so we will put rx.n mineable, rsunmineable.com. Please check the spelling because many times spelling mistakes happen. Okay, now in place of 443 and username, we will enter our wallet address. Okay, after entering the wallet address, you can write .c cryptocurrency or anything. You can also write your name. Okay, so I will type the currency crypto. I will not set the password and I will turn on SSL. Okay, so this app will lag a little. Like if you see, I tapped on SSL but it still did not open. So if I tap once again, it will open. Okay, along with this, I will double click on it here and save the 19 settings. Okay, after doing the 19 settings, I will come back. Now what do? First I will click on NA like this. Okay, and I will choose the configuration that I have just created. After that I will click on start. Now with this, our mining starts. Okay, so we will wait for some time and see how much hash rate etc is generated. So as you can see, right now it has started a hashtag of almost 444. Even after that, it will keep increasing like this. So I will leave it for mining for 1 hour. After that, we will see what the result was and how was the mining session. So it has been 1 hour now, and now we will see how our progress was, how much we mined. So to see this thing, we have two ways. First is that on the phone or device on which we are mining, we can open that app on that device and see how much mine rate is going on and many other things. And the second and easy way is that you come to unmanable.com. So let us go to unmanable.com. So this is unmanable.com. If you look here, you will see a lot of options. The third option is address, and after the address, it was checking directly if I had already entered it. If not, then you can enter your address here, whichever address you copied from that wallet and used it in the name. You can enter the same address here and search, then it will show you. So it must have been about 1 hour, 2 or 3 minutes according to me. It is more than an hour for sure. Okay, and it is showing that after 219830, this much mining has been done. Okay, now when 50 Kaspa will become 1, that means when this zero figure will reach 50, then this Kaspa will be sent to our wallet. Okay, before that, mining will keep happening and it won't go till the threshold is reached. So if you look at life, then if you remember, we had written wallet address.tbto currency, so that has gone offline now, and this entire lock is showing how much is being received and for how long. And here, if you look at the workers, then there was one worker right now who is Crypto Mahindra. Okay, and if you look at the payment, then no payment payout has happened yet because any threshold has been reached. Right now you can see there are many states. Okay, referral balance, finale, and all that is live now. If you see here, then one worker is online. Okay, and his work is going on like this. So now we will see how many dollars we have earned in 1 hour. So if you will see the current price, then the price is 0.811. Okay, and right now we have earned 2198. So if we see 0.811 into 0.000 and 2198, if we do it and we do this, then in total we have earned this many dollars. Okay, so you got this many dollars in an hour. According to that, you can see what progress you are making. Okay, and if your device is very good, you will get some advantage, but it is not that you will get a lot of advantage. So I hope you have understood this mining procedure and also understood how much you can earn, and if there is a reliable source, it does not mean that you can rely only on this mining. Yes, if the phone is lying idle, then it is better to mine on it rather than letting it sit idle. So I will meet you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.